Ever wondered why losing weight feels like an uphill battle? It's because there's a lot of misinformation out there. We hear about magic pills, trendy diets, and quick fix workouts, but the truth is these rarely work in the long term. Weight loss is less about drastic measures and more about embracing a healthier lifestyle. It's about understanding the role of nutrition, exercise, and mental well-being in our lives. Well, it's not about quick fixes. It's about making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle. The first step to losing weight is understanding your body. Yes, you heard it right. It's not just about hitting the gym or going on a diet. It's about understanding how your body works, how it processes food, and how it burns calories. This is where the concept of metabolism comes into play. Metabolism is the process through which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. Some people have a fast metabolism that burns up calories quickly, while others might have a slower metabolism. But here's the thing. No matter what your metabolic rate, you can lose weight. The key is creating a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit happens when you consume fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. This forces your body to use its fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss. Now, creating a calorie deficit doesn't mean you have to starve yourself. It's about making smarter food choices and adopting healthier eating habits. Let's talk about a few of them. First, portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. You can still enjoy your favorite foods, but in smaller portions. This way you can satisfy your cravings without going over your calorie limit. Next, choose whole foods over processed foods. Whole foods are packed with nutrients and fiber that keep you feeling full and satisfied, while processed foods often contain added sugars and unhealthy fats that can lead to weight gain. And don't forget about water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health and can also help control your appetite. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger, so next time you feel a hunger pang, try drinking a glass of water first. Remember, it's not about starving yourself, but about making healthier food choices. So understand your body, create a calorie deficit, control your portions, choose whole foods, and stay hydrated. These are the practical weight loss tips that can guide you on your journey to a healthier you. Diet is crucial, but what about exercise? Let's delve into that, shall we? Exercise in its many forms plays an indispensable role in weight loss. It's not just about burning calories, it's about improving your overall health, boosting your mood, and even enhancing your sleep quality. Exercise is a powerful ally in your weight loss journey, a companion that helps you reach your goals faster and maintain them longer. But how can you incorporate physical activity into your everyday routine? It's simpler than you might think. Start by making small changes that can have a big impact over time. One of those changes could be choosing the stairs over the elevator. Yes, it may seem insignificant, but those extra steps add up, and before you know it, you're climbing a mountain every week. Another tip is to park your car a little farther from your destination. The walk might only take an extra minute or two, but over a week, a month, a year, those minutes become hours of added physical activity. And let's not forget about short, intense workouts. These can be done at home, require little to no equipment, and can be squeezed into busy schedules. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a great example. It's all about pushing your limits for brief periods, followed by short recovery phases. The key here is consistency. Make these activities a part of your lifestyle, not just a temporary fix. Remember, every step counts. It's about moving more and sitting less. So what have we learned about weight loss today? First and foremost, understanding your body is crucial. Every body is unique, with its own metabolic rate, nutritional needs, and physical capabilities. It's important to respect these differences and tailor your weight loss approach accordingly. Next, we delved into the concept of creating a calorie deficit. This doesn't mean starving yourself, rather it involves making healthier food choices and controlling portion sizes. Consuming fewer calories than your body burns naturally leads to weight loss. However, remember, it's about quality, not just quantity. Choosing nutrient-dense foods over high-calorie, low-nutrient options is key. And finally, we explored the role of exercise. Regular physical activity not only boosts your metabolism, but also improves your overall health. It can be as simple as taking a brisk walk every day, or as intense as a high-energy cardio workout. With consistency and patience, you can achieve your weight loss goals. It's a journey, not a race.